This is the Ranger X Robot Building Kit by Sillbird. My son is going to unbox it, and I'll give you some pro tips along the way, things that we learned, and all in all, we really liked it. It took 1 hour and 26 minutes to put this together, but you can actually do 5 different robots, so this could keep your kiddos busy for a long time. One pro tip for my son is you want to stay organized, so get a big workable space that you can work on, like this big table, and then use some bowls. He used 3 bowls here. Later on, he said, I should have used more. I think we ended up with 5 bowls on the table. Don't be alarmed as you're building. You will have extra pieces because, again, you can build 5 different robots, and not all of them use the exact same pieces. You'll have a handful of extras along the way. All right, this video is going to be very time-lapsed, about 4 minutes long. I'm going to show you from start to finish. And I'll interject a little bit here and there, but mostly you can just kind of watch and just see how intricate the process is. I will say this, well over 100 steps, challenging, but not like too difficult. What I mean by that is sometimes the instructions are terrible on these things. These are great instructions. Everything came together. All the pieces fit together too. That's not always the case either. So that was a good thing. And then this one, you'll see it here in a minute. It's got some pretty cool little extra features like movable eyes and sound effects, and it even does steam. And so you'll see all that. Before we get to the end, though, you'll also notice that it comes with a remote control. That remote control uses a AA battery. And then the actual robot, though, uses a rechargeable built-in battery, so you don't have to replace the batteries on that. And I believe that battery lasts about 40 minutes. In addition to that, you can also download an app, and you can even do a little bit more functionality using the phone. I'll show that briefly. But the remote control and the phone app were just kind of cool to have 2 different options. So, all right, well, actually, I told you I wasn't going to talk too much, and I'm not going to. So keep watching this thing to come together, and then we'll demo it at the very end. All in all, pretty cool. And I love the fact that you can make 5 different robots out of it. So this is a big success. By the way, this was sent to me for an honest review. This is my honest review. My son enjoyed it, and I would highly recommend it. Here you go.